My bankroll having not legal. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Q50. I just had the fuck. I had to turn up real quick on the music tip. You feel me? So yeah. Hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Never miss new video, never miss new vlog, never miss new POV ski, and let's ride out, roll loud.
I put grabber in my place. I need that money. I fuck that pussy, I fuck that crank. I'm mad as fuck. I called you off like, give me my money. Nigga broke as fuck. Whoa. Come on, Andrew, look, bitch. I feel like King Tut. Stop playing with me, bro. I can be as fuck. Yeah. Hold on. Listen to me. Oh, you want smoke? Oh, you want smoke? No. So I take it from your hoe. She like, nah, I like your gold. She like, nah, I love your fuck. The best. I'm the best. She wanna taste it. Up 10 million. Mama, I made it. They mad on going up.
In 0.2 miles. Turn right.
I'm having a motherfucking archery like the Navy. Stop stealing my shit, bro.
Turn right on Global Gateway Connector.
Trying to talk like me, lame man. I don't even know y'all, bro. Fucking niggas in this shit, bro. Look at the fucking statistics. Look at the statistics, bro. Look at I'm with a hoe and I'm fucking a new York. She playing game like she put on a Bronco. She said her dick got me curved at the bottom. I got a bitch, she came with no boat.
Turn right on Riverdale Road.
Boy, shut up.
Then keep right to Herschel Road.
Nobody hoe with a fuck with a nigga like me. She tryna get that shit off. Bitch, that pussy drink like she like. She tryna get that shit off. Smoking on all these got no what. I cannot get that shit off. I'm so hot to feel my feet. I'm tryna fuck with a broad. I'm tryna fuck with that bitch overseas. Feel a hoe with a broad. I'm tryna fuck that hoe overseas. Go to your broad. She done one take in my coat, section 8. And my bitch bad weight. And my bitch bad weight. I just go both ways. But he be hey. She wanna fuck on train. She wanna suck 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 on train. I'm with a hoe and I'm fucking in New York. She playing game like she play on the Bronco. She said that dick got me cut at my toes. I got a bitch, she came with no birth.
Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, never miss a new video, never miss a new vlog, never miss a new POV, and we out.